I recently came across Kmart's Electric Cleaning Brush, a long-handled, rechargeable gadget that claims to cut cleaning time in half and save you from scrubbing on your hands and knees. It sounds like a practical solution for anyone tired of bending over to clean showers and tiles. The idea is simple: a powered rotating head with an extended handle does the hard work for you. But is this actually a useful tool, or just another household product getting attention because of its design? Let's look at what real users and professional cleaners are saying. Quick disclaimer: this is my personal research and opinion, for informational and educational purposes only. This is a legitimate product sold by Kmart, not a suspicious mystery website. The device combines a powered rotating head with an extendable handle, giving users more reach for everyday cleaning jobs. According to current listings, the gadget costs around $39 and comes with attachments designed for various surfaces, making it useful for bathrooms, tiles, tubs, and other areas around the home. It features an 85 cm extendable handle that can be adjusted to different angles, a rechargeable battery that charges via USB, and attaches that click onto the head and spin rapidly. The battery takes about 4 hours to charge and delivers roughly 5 hours of runtime, reportedly enough for a full shower or bathroom clean. Professional cleaners have given this gadget serious praise. Jessica, who runs a cleaning business in Sydney, called it her top-rated Kmart cleaning tool. She noted that it eliminates the need to get down on your hands and knees, and described it as a superior alternative to more expensive $200 power scrubbers. The professional cleaners from Clean & Co Services in Melbourne ranked the brush at the top of their best and worst Kmart cleaning items list, saying it was ideal for tackling grout without much effort at all. Gold Coast mum Tessera Van Beek said the brush had the time she spent on her weekend shower scrub, giving it a solid 9 out of 10. She highlighted that the extendable arm means you don't have to clean bent over or on your knees for long stretches. Another shopper noted that being disabled made bending into shower corners difficult, and this brush does the job very well. A person who bought it after injuring their wrists found it easy to use even then. It's not perfect. Some users point out that the brush adds weight compared with a traditional scrubber. One Kmart website review noted the device was not strong enough, with a spin that's a bit slow, but it did the job. Another user found that if you push on it, it makes a sound like it's struggling and does a better job when just held in place. A reviewer on Amazon for a competing product even compared it unfavorably to the Kmart version, suggesting Kmart's product actually has better quality. Some users have reported vibrations strong enough to make their hands feel numb after use. Is the Kmart Electric Cleaning Brush a scam? This appears to be a legitimate Kmart-listed product with genuine user reviews and professional endorsements. It's not a suspicious website selling mystery gadgets. The gadget has earned a 4.8 out of 5-star rating on Kmart's website for the extended version, while the handheld version sits at a 3.3-star rating. However, legitimate doesn't automatically mean perfect. This device works well for people who dislike strenuous scrubbing, have mobility issues, or want to speed up their cleaning routine. But its cleaning power is moderate. It's designed to save effort, not necessarily to deliver industrial-strength scrubbing. For the price, it's a practical convenience gadget rather than a must-have for everyone. It looks like a practical convenience gadget for people who dislike strenuous scrubbing. Whether it's worth buying depends on your cleaning needs. If you have mobility issues, hate bending over to scrub showers, or just want to cut cleaning time, this could be a good investment. But if your cleaning routine is already quick and simple, you might not get much extra value from it. Have you tried the Kmart Electric Cleaning Brush? Drop your experience in the comments. I read every one. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next investigation.